Yes, good afternoon. I'm Kelly from the County Brant Public Library. Welcome to our afternoon tea. I'm going to show you how to make a quick centerpiece. I like to use everything that I have at home. And my theme this time was books and paper. So I had some lovely old books. Set them up. Got a cute little teapot that my granny had given me from years ago. Add a few pearls. And what's a tea party without a bird? And because I like to recycle some paper that we were using for our old books, put a little rose on there, and it's an afternoon tea party. If you want to change it up, add just a lovely little teacup, some borrowed flowers from the neighbor's garden, and you're good to go. And that's it. How quick is that? Have a good afternoon.